Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play piano scales smoothly. This will be a beginner piano tutorial, so let's get right into this video tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you how to play piano scales smoothly, and this will be a beginner piano tutorial. So a piano tutorial for absolute beginners. Let's get into this. There are essentially 4 tips and 4 steps for playing piano scales smoothly. Sorry, my show notes, I make notes for all my videos, believe it or not. My notes kind of just fell onto the piano. My notes fell onto the notes. That's actually hilarious. Anyways, probably not. You're probably not going to laugh at that. If you did, thank you, but if not, don't worry about it. Anyways, it's very simple. We're going to be using the C major scale as an example. So the C major scale looks like this. Now, to play it smoothly, I messed that one up. To play it smoothly, it's, I'm standing up. It's a little bit weird, so I'm going to try that again. To play it smoothly, we're going to try one more time. Okay, so to learn to play it smoothly and faster, there are basically 4 steps. The first step is to memorize the notes. So for the C major scale, it uses only the sort of the not sharp and not flat, the natural notes. That's the word I'm looking for. It's called a natural scale, I believe, because it uses all the natural notes over here. There's no sharps and no flats. I believe that's the term for natural scale. But essentially, you got to memorize the notes. So C, D, E, F, G, A. I did that wrong. Sorry about that. Why? Because I'm talking at the same time. So memorize the notes. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, B, A, G, F, F, E, D, C. Did I do that right? Yeah, I'll try that one more time. C, D, E, F, G, A. Messed that one up again. Once again, memorize the notes. We're going to try one more time. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. I think I got that right. Anyways, whatever the notes are, memorize them. That's number 1. I'm trying to sort of read my notes, talk, and play at the same time. It's not really working out in my favor. Okay, step number 2, or tip number 2, is to play slowly. So when you're first learning a scale, when you're first learning it, in my opinion, it doesn't really matter so much if you get the fingering right. You can go like this. To be honest, in my opinion, it doesn't really matter so much, because then step number 3 or tip number 3 is to learn the finger pattern. So for this one, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Just like that. Okay? Once you've sort of learned the fingering pattern and you've played it slowly and you memorize the notes and all those steps that I said before, you want to practice it like no tomorrow. So literally just over and over again practice it. Okay, and you'll get it, and you'll be great at it. And yeah, honestly, my dad is an amazing piano player. Believe it or not, I've never had a formal piano lesson in my life, and I didn't ever go to get graded at the Royal Conservatory. But honestly, like, I probably could play. If you put a piece of sheet music in front of me and it's really hard, I could play it, like literally. So, and it's just because my dad. I never had a formal piano lesson, but my dad every day was teaching me these scales and the chords and stuff like that. So yeah, that is essentially it. That is how to play piano scales smoothly, beginner piano tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.